Hey everyone, and welcome back to Quick Review. Today we're diving into the Rabbit AI, a new AI assistant on the block. Let's hop right in. The Rabbit AI is a voice-activated assistant that promises to be your helpful companion. You can use it for the usual stuff, setting alarms, playing music, controlling smart home devices. But it also boasts some unique features, like real-time translation and personalized news feeds. So, how does it perform? Well, the voice recognition is pretty good, picking up commands even in slightly noisy environments. The translation feature seems accurate for basic phrases, but complex sentences might get a little wonky. Overall, the Rabbit AI is a decent AI assistant. It's got the basics covered and some interesting extra features. Would I recommend it? That depends. If you're looking for a simple, reliable assistant, it might be a good fit. But if you need something more powerful for complex tasks, there might be better options out there. Let me know in the comments below what AI assistant you're currently using, or if you've tried the Rabbit AI. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick reviews.